when they get to prema, this body can't contain the ecstasies beyond that. It'll just fall apart. So that example is actually shown, that teaching can be drawn from the Gambhir Leela of Mahaprabhu. Of course, he's Bhagavan and Bhakta both. He's Bhagavan. He's Krishna Swarup. He's Krishna Swarup and also Bhakta. And he's Krishna Swarup with the Kanti and the Bhava of Radharani. But he's Krishna Swarupam. Swarup Damodar says in the Mangalacharana Chaitanya Charitamrita, Radha Krishna Pranaya Virakta Krishna Swarupam. So he's Krishna Swarup. He's not Radha and Krishna combined. Some people say that, and there's some verses where you can kind of draw that conclusion. But the basic idea, Krishna wanted to experience not the Swarup of Radharani, or the form, her Bhav. And took her color, to hide his identity as Krishna, for one thing. Golden Bengali sannyasi. Really golden. Really golden. Tapta Kanchana Goharangi Radhavan. So that Kanti of Radharani. So now, that's the internal reason. The Mahabhav, and the Rasa Swadhana, and the Sukha, and the Pranaya, Keli. But now, if you take from the Bhakta, Lord Chaitanya is showing that he's also on the level of Maryada. He's doing his anak every day. He's taking his noon snan and samudra every day, tirtha snan, very regulated, only taking food from the hand of a Brahmin. Even anywhere he traveled, only from a Brahmin. It's very particular about all the rules and regulations. So that's the manush vichar. That's the human level. Or you can say the bhakti level, observing the Maryada of your ashram and varna. Lord Chaitanya did it strictly. Very strictly. At the same time, relishing these high experiences of Mahabhav. But then, in this bhakta form, as the sadhaka showing an example, he experienced it. He shows this is what happens when you try to contain beyond print. When you try to contain sneha or man, or you try to contain Mahabhav in this body as a sadhaka, at the level of praying, then you fall apart. Your joints extend 8 inches. Your arms come inside your body like Korma Chaitanya. Your head goes into your neck shrinks and you become Jagannath. Jaga. Jaga means stamba. Jaga means stone-like. Jada root means Jada means stone. Jaga becomes stone-like. So arms went inside his body. Lord Chaitanya became like a pumpkin, a golden pumpkin. Pumpkin doesn't have any arms, it's all round. Arms inside, legs inside, everything inside. So this is a phenomenal. So Lord Chaitanya is showing. See, that's why the sadhakas give up their body of prema, so they can get the Gopi Sarup, and then in the Prakat Leela of Krishna, and then they can contain in that transcendental form. They can contain these ecstasies. So Krishna wanted to experience Radharani's Mahabhav, but it tore him to pieces. And it tears him to pieces eternally. Because Gaur Leela is Nitya. Gaur Leela is always searching for Radharani. Searching for Krishna. Krishna Kahan. That's eternal. He's eternally searching. Where's the fulfillment? His Leela is Nitya. He just ends his life running into the sea. Sham. Sees the blue sea. Sham. Some biographers say Lord Chaitanya entered the sea, merged in the Sham. He merged in Sham in the form of Sham Samudra. Or he merged in the body of Sham, Tota Gopinath Archamurti. Sham Samudra, Sham, the ocean is the color of Krishna. Radhabhav. Ashul Shiva Parvatam Panashtamam Dashtam Mamatam Karotava. Itatava Vedadantam Lapato Matprananatas to save an appara. So Lord Chaitanya, I'm Krishna. What is that love she experiences? What is that happiness she experiences by serving me? How does she love me? Grind his teeth, rubs his face against the wall, and all blood's all oozing down the stone, oozing down the cobblestone, his cheeks all torn and ripped. And then Govinda Das, his servant, comes in. Ghastly scene. Blood is like this. And joints and teeth chattering. This is Mahabhat. Radharani's like, dear, 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 dear. Disturbed and not disturbed. Dear, dear. So this is why we have to throw this body at prema and get a special body. Radharani-like body. Radharani-like body, then we can experience the bhavas of Radharani and that long, long distant achievement of Brahma Vrindavan, Prakat Leela of Radha and Krishna.